Hey everybody, welcome to Hops at Home. I'm Mark. It is house cleaning day. As you can see behind me, I'm ready to be putting stuff away. But before I get started with cleaning house, I need to make some new cleaning products. I'm out of countertop cleaner today, and I'm also out of bathroom cleaner. So I prefer to make my own household cleaners. I know what's in them. It's very cost effective. A little goes a long way. And it's basically stuff I have around the house for the most part anyway. So all of the recipes can be found in my first ebook. You can download it off my Etsy site. The link is down below. It's called Homeworks. It has all of the recipes you need for cleaning different things from your bathroom to a daily shower cleaner that ensures your glass in your shower doesn't need to be cleaned deeply all the time. There's a scum buster recipe in there, dusting, stainless steel, you name it, it's in here. There's also tips and tricks for cleaning your house fast and efficiently, so it doesn't feel like you're spending an entire Saturday house cleaning. There's also some styling guides in here for styling your house and home decor. So it's a really great book. It's not very expensive at all. It's less than $10. It's definitely something that I think a lot of people will find useful. So getting started, I am going to start with counter cleaner. Especially since I prepare a lot of food and stuff, I always want to be making sure the counters are always clean. And I don't like a lot of the store-bought cleaners that you can get. I find they smell just too artificially lemony or like citrusy, and I really find it too overpowering. I like my kitchen to smell sweet, like something's been baking. So in order to do that, we are going to start with half a cup of rubbing alcohol. It's just normal Walmart brand rubbing alcohol. I use at least 70%, and all of my cleaners go in these glass spray bottles, and I just label them using my Cricut maker, and it comes with the bottle and the sprayer, and I will link that down below. So we're going to start with half a cup of rubbing alcohol. Just open the other bottle here real quick. Should have been at first. And I measure using these silicone measuring cups. They're dishwasher safe, which is great. They can just go in the dishwasher once I'm done. But because they're flexible, I don't need an additional funnel to pour them into my container. So this is a 16-ounce bottle, so the recipe makes enough to fill this bottle. I'm just going to pour that right in to the spray bottle. The next thing I want to do is add a half teaspoon of dish soap. This I just eyeball, and I use Kirkland brand. It's basically the same thing as Dawn, but you want to use Blue Dawn if you're not going to buy the Kirkland brand, but Kirkland brand works just as well. So about half a teaspoon in there of that. And then the last thing we need is 1.5 cups of distilled water. I get my distilled water at Walmart. It is $1.25 usually for this large 4-liter bottle. So it's definitely already less expensive than buying a bottle of normal counter cleaner at the store. So there's 1 cup in there. Now we're gonna add the last cup, sorry, the last half cup. There we go. And with this, I just shake it up when I'm ready to use it, and then add it, wipe it down with a clean microfiber cloth. And today I am going to use marshmallow buttercream essential oil. I get this from Scentsy. If you don't have a Scentsy provider in your area, just comment below in the video and I can put you in touch with my sister. She is my Scentsy go-to. She gets me all my Scentsy products. She really knows her stuff when it comes to the product. I'm just gonna open up the bottle a little bit. because it's not coming out super easy. So I'm just taking the pour thing out, and you want to add about 15 to 20 drops of essential oil. And that's it. We're just going to put the cap back on and tighten it up. And there we have counter cleaner ready to go. The next thing I need to make is my bathroom cleaner. And for that, we are going to start with 1/4 cup of white vinegar. I get this double strength cleaning vinegar at the store. I believe this I got from my dollar store, actually. It was at Dollarama for like $3 or $4 for 2.5 liters. It's a really good price. But I mean, regular white distilled vinegar works as well. It's just the one that's designated for cleaning. It's just a little bit more concentrated. But again, your normal white vinegar that you get at the grocery store works as well. So we're going to add that to our bottle, and then we want to add 1 3/4 cups of the distilled water. Just bear with me while I pour that out. So that's 1 cup. Now we're just going to add our 3/4 cup in there. Go. And for the bathroom, the fragrance I choose is usually something pretty fresh. I tend to go with either something like ocean breezy type scents, or they have one from Scentsy that's a eucalyptus lime that I really love. I also keep a bottle of the eucalyptus lime in my gym bag, and when I go into the sauna at the gym after working out, I like pour a little bit on the wall, and it just makes it smell that much better. So today we're going to add about 30 drops of orange strawberry melon, which is very fresh smelling. Just wipe off my hands real quick. And again, same thing. We're going to add the sprayer to it. Do it up. Give it a shake, and you're ready to go. This is great using it in your bathroom on all surfaces. I even use it all around my toilet. I use a commercial toilet bowl cleaner inside the toilet, but to spray down my toilet, to do the seat all around it, it's great. It disinfects, it odorizes, makes everything smell great. And again, it cost me pennies to make this bottle. And it's reusable, so my plastic footprint is a little bit less. That's it, everybody. Make sure to click the link below and get your copy of Homeworks now. It's downloadable immediately upon purchase as a PDF. And go ahead, hit me up down below with any comments or questions that you have. I'm always willing to chat with you. Have a great afternoon. Make sure you click like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get notified every time I post a brand new video. Have a great day.